Crypto Billionaire 69 coming back at you guys with another daily in-depth Dogelon Mars technical analysis. Let's get into the charts. Bitcoin is still hovering around these $63,000 levels. We saw yesterday it pushed all the way up to these $64,000 levels and then rejected. Now, if you watched the last video, then you would know that these $64,000 levels are exactly the levels that we have been watching, because back here it is a strong resistance. But there is good news. As you can see, the volume here is continuing to grow, and we are consolidating in a bullish pattern, which means we are looking for another breakout. Once it breaks above these 63,634 levels with volume, it should break through these $64,000 levels and move all the way back up to these 65, and then eventually these $68,000 levels. Now we're looking for a nice move in the next couple days. It might take a little longer than that because it's consolidating and bouncing around. But that is the top of the range. And if it does break these $64,000 levels, then we'll be moving even higher, potentially to those $68,000 levels, which will bring Dogelon Mars up as well. On the inverse, we have a low of the $62,000 600 levels. Okay, if we break that, then we could see a slow decline back to these $60,000 levels, where it can regain support and push higher, or chop around and maintain a range. So let's get into Dogelon Mars. This is the all-time chart. As you can see, it's super low, but in the last 7 days, as Bitcoin has been rallying, we've seen Dogelon Mars rally 7.68% as well. So Bitcoin is up 5%. Dogelon Mars is up 7%. It's good news. However, we definitely want to continue to watch these charts and watch this range very carefully. If you are in a trade, definitely watch those levels. And yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin moves up, Dogelon Mars will move up. And look at these 1 month candles. We've been in the red pretty much this entire month, except for over here at these 0.06144 levels. This is the range that we will most likely be coming up to test if Bitcoin breaks above these $64,000 levels into those $68,000 levels. So let's continue to watch it, keep our eyes on it. I'll continue to keep you guys updated. Again, these are only 2 coins in the crypto market, and these are only 2 ways of making money in the crypto market. There's many other ways to make money, not only in the crypto markets, but in the stock markets. And once you understand technical analysis, you'll be able to spot the levels and do exactly what you know you need to do when the time comes. All you need is patience and discipline. So if you don't know where to start and are wondering how to get into trading technical analysis like a pro, check out the first link in the description. I just made a beautiful course. It's taken my 5 years of experience and put it into videos so you guys can consume it and pretty much get caught up to date on what's working. So, course is live. It's on pre-sale for 50% off. Go and check it out. First link in the description. This is for a limited time only. So, yeah, I will be back again probably later today. So, stay tuned. We'll keep updated with the markets. And yeah, if you have any other coins, stocks that you want me to go over, go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll make sure to go over that in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.